Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can customize watermark on your photos in your REALME 9 Pro Plus. So at the start open the camera app, then go to the settings and tap on the watermark. Now you can see that we have a few options to edit. You can choose the photo of your watermark, decide that you want to add the watermark only to the photos, only to the videos, or both one. You can add your custom text here. You can also enable a device model and date and time. You of course can change the font size also. And now if you take a photo in the camera, the customized watermark should appear in the bottom. This is our watermark and this is the default one. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.